It's delivery day. What's going on, YouTube? Want to say shout out to all the new subscribers. Thanks for joining the channel. This is a DIY channel. It's not a channel of let's pay everybody to do everything we need. So I just want you to understand it's a hard-working channel. You know, I don't get anything for free. Everything is paid for, with my hard-earned money. Just want to say thanks for everybody for sticking around, because this is one of them channels that will show you, how to use your own skills, use your own knowledge, read to be able to get this far where I've gotten. So I would like to show you guys some parts. This is delivery day. Most of the parts came in all at once. I'm just in the living room before work showing you guys this stuff. But first I want to start off with showing you guys the high volume oil pump. This is a high volume oil pump. This is my first time using this. This is my first time using this. As I was trying to say, I had to stop the video for a second. But this is my first time using the high volume oil pump. I'm using it because I just want a little extra insurance, because this is my hands and my measurements. So with a little bit of more volume, you can kind of correct any mistakes that you might make as far as clearances or anything like that. This is usually for a higher mileage vehicle. This is kind of what the patch is for. But my motor is completely rebuilt with new everything, so we shouldn't have a problem. But this is just an insurance. Also, if you look at the pickup tube, I should have brought one in. This, and you probably can go look it up, it is not the average 4.6 liter 2-valve pump. You can tell just by the width of the tube. The tube is just so much more thicker. And then you get this little plate on here, which I might have to remove because this is the only part that I want to really anchor it. So I have to check and see if this is necessary. I'm going to show you how to install this and the install height, because this, with the ARP studs, is going to change the distance from the bottom of the pan. I might use the clayway to measure the distance from the pan, but we'll see when I get there. So let me move this out the way. Our next package is the oil pump bolts. Go find Mama, it's over there. But back to the video. Had to take care of something right quick. These are the oil pan bolts. They are coated with some type of coating, so that's why they look that color. Yeah, you can have that one. Over here, I want to show you this too right quick. This is what I'm tuning it with, SCT tuner. Just want to show you guys that. I have that already. Next box, I have a high volume, supposedly, water pump, which the main thing I found different is the fins. If you have a stock Crown Victoria Mustang, I believe those fins have like a cage around there on the stock one. So it's supposed to be a high volume pump. We'll see. And the next bag of goodies is the torque converter. This is a 3200, 3500 stall converter. 10-inch. I believe the stock Crown Victoria is right around 11.25 inches. So brand new in the box. As you can see, it's pretty small. And actually, just having a look, it comes with these bolts and wow. Yeah, go get the juice. So that's that. That was my son. I had to deal with him this morning. The next box is open already. The next box, let me show you. The next box got some long tube headers. They are for a Mustang, for the coupe and standard version. So everything is going to, for these to fit, everything is going to depend on how good the steering shaft fits and what I might need to modify on here. And what I need to modify on here to get these to fit. These are actually true long tube headers. These are not the big boys. These are the 1 5/8 inch. Pretty decent for the price. So I just have to get those fitted. That's for me showing you this exhaust, because if everything goes well, and I can get this long tubes fit in here, then I'm going to use these 2 1/2 inch, because the collectors on here are a little bit small size. These are a 2.35 inch collector. Most collectors, that's why I state that those are not the big boy headers. The most performance headers will either have a 3 inch or bigger. Most the time on a 2 valve is going to be a 3 inch. So for the price of these, I felt it was worth it trying. So that's why I state, if those headers work, the X pipe on here, this is from the OBX kit. This is from the OBX kit now, that if you buy the OBX kit now, they want, I believe, $890 something, almost $900, almost $1,000 for this kit. And I'm sure this kit will eventually go up, because it did come with the down tubes, X pipe, headers, hardware, and mufflers. I didn't want the mufflers. I threw them out immediately. So if everything goes to plan, if I can get those Mustang headers to fit in there with a little modification, I'll be good. Top end power will be amazing. Even though those are not the big boy headers, they still will be a lot better than the stock manifold logs. So they come with, I might move these to the headers over here. Actually, I'm gonna take these. They come with these bolts, which I'm glad. So YouTube, I'll get with you next time. Just give me an update.